Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mintop 2 solution. First, understand that Mintop 2 contains 2% minoxidil, a proven ingredient for hair regrowth. This solution is specifically designed to combat male and female pattern baldness. Remember, the key is to apply it directly to your scalp, not just to your hair. Proper application ensures the active ingredients reach the follicles effectively. Before you begin, make sure your scalp and hair are completely dry. This helps the solution absorb properly. Using the provided dropper, measure out 1 milliliter of the solution. You should apply this amount twice daily, once in the morning and once at night. Gently massage the solution into the specific areas of your scalp where you want to see hair growth. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. On another note, quick recommendation. Make your meal prep super easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Safety first. Always wash your hands thoroughly right after applying Mintop 2 to avoid accidental transfer. Be careful to keep the solution away from your eyes, mouth, and any other sensitive skin areas. It's crucial not to exceed the recommended dosage. Do not use more than 2 milliliters of solution within a 24-hour period. Consistency is key, not excessive application.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.